Zombie apocalypse.
Hi guys, PPT Part II. Adding audio or video files. Go to Insert and click Audio or Video. If it is from your storage, choose Audio or Video from File. If it is from web, choose Video from web. Audio from web is not supported. You can also record audio by selecting Record Audio. Note: make sure audio and video file formats are AAC and WMV respectively. If not, change the file format. Now choose audio or video from clip art. Formatting. Animation. Go to Animation and choose the animation you like. Word art. Go to Insert, then click on Word Art. Select the text you like. Change font and style accordingly. Special effects. Click the text you want to add effects. Go to Format menu. Click Text Effects. Choose the effect required. Changing background of slide. Right click on the slide. Choose Format Background. Choose for background you like. Adding background color or outline. In Format menu, go to Shape Fill for background fill. Go to Shape Outline for outline. You can also add gradient or texture for background. Go to Home menu. Click Shape Fill, then Gradient or Texture. Transitions. Go to Transitions, Choose the transition you like. Slideshow. Go to Slideshow, click on Slideshow. Review menu. Here use spelling to check spelling. Use thesaurus for synonyms for a word. You can also translate using translate option. Use language to change language of presentation. You can also add, edit, delete the comment. View menu. Use normal view for editing the PPT. Use slide sorter view for sorting the slides. Use notes page for adding notes. Use reading view for reviewing the PPT. Use slide master for page number, header and footer. Use handout master for taking a print of your PPT. Last step is saving the file. Go to File menu, click Save and Send. You can find many options there. Choose what suits the best, or you can directly select Save. Sample PPT. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.